Today we're going to show you how to put the wheels underneath the crescent double. Put the straps over top. Just gotta make sure these are tight on here. Yeah. So once these are parallel, tight next to each other, it'll pivot in the middle like so. Takes all the weight off the front. You're ready to go. All right, so I'm going to show you why it's important to put the right wheels on the right kayak. So it slides underneath, hooks up to the front. It's really easy to do at the end of the day, makes things simple. Just doesn't distribute the weight properly, so it doesn't maneuver quite as easily.
So this is the suspends end cart on the Crescent Crew. At the end of the day, it's a fast, efficient way to put on a set of wheels to get your boat to your vehicle, but it doesn't distribute the weight as you saw in the first video of the wheels in the center of the boat, which distributes the weight and makes it a lot lighter weight than having the wheels in the back of